everybody, my name is Ale Button, and welcome to my channel. And you know, my subscriber count is almost up to 60, and I've not made a play button, or have I? The last 3 play buttons have been like this. First one ever made, the cardboard so-called silver 5 subscriber. God, this is fucking old. Number 2. It's a silver. It's plastic foam. It's diamond. It's a diamond minecart. No, I'm joking. This one actually sucks. It used to be cool, but now it sucks. The 10 subscribers to Ale Button for surpassing 10 subscribers. So it's 10 subscribers. Let's check the next one. To Ale Button for surpassing God, I have to, it's so old. It's to me for surpassing 20 subs. It's falling apart. $20 subs. It sucks. It's literally this on this. Just gonna close it up. But I have recently hit 50 subs. There's one thing left. The 50 subscriber play button. Let's go. It's too cool. I just made this like a couple of seconds ago. It's the see-through Do you see the number 50? 50 subscriber play button. It's literally just like a plastic glass box. That is see-through. Let's do this again. This is how I made it. No, I'm joking. I don't actually record a video when I make it. Everyone in the comments gonna be like, so fake. That one sucks. Something like that. Actually, this is probably the coolest one I've ever seen me make. And It's the best one. It's better than 10 sub. It's it's definitely better than the 20 sub, though. It's wait. Let's open this. Oh. What happens? You got to be kidding me. This is like a holster for the 20 subs. The 20 subs one is literally in this. I don't remember that happening ever. So it's the 50 sub. When do I get to 100? I swear to God, I will do a special one for the 100. That's made out of wood. Oh yeah. Bam! There it is. 50 subscriber special play button. I guess it's special, I don't know. This 20 subscriber play button. There's literally just freaking a box with paper on it. Fits inside. Though it's freaking broken. See?
When we're finished with you,
What the fuck? I'm gonna put it in the spot. The spot of playprints. It's that one. That one. So let's do it. First, ugliest one. You see the grace. But at least I hit 5 subs. That's good for the beginning. No way. You don't deserve to be there. Actually, you don't. Done. You see the difference? It's a little cupboard. Next one. Back 10 subscriber play button. Made by Batson. Pure styrofoam and a pure paper. It's actually just a bunch of paper taped together. So let's do this. Let's do this. Facts. Oh, see the difference? Boom! Next one. No, I'm joking. I have to have the box, so it's actually thick. I know something else that is thick. Donuts. It's really good. Thick. Oh, so thick. Still not on, but It'll have to do. Perfect. Now see a difference? Not that much, because it's both white. So put it there. Now see the difference. Yeah. Now for the newest one that was made like 11 minutes ago. The 50 subscriber. Oh, Awesome Gamer really wants it, so I can't. I mean, it's 50 subs. 50 subs. Okay. See any difference? Hell yeah! That's so cool. I got 4. I'm supposed to have 5, but I don't have a 40 subscribers. Well, actually, I'm supposed to have 6. 1 for 5, 1 for 10, 1 for 20, 1 for 30, 1 for 40, 1 for 50. And when I get the 30/40, then I'll get rid of the 5. No, I'll just have them there. So thank you everybody so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Who knew? The legend's true.